Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler here. Welcome back. We're heading to a Jeep event to show and shine at the Baja Jeep event in Brampton, Ontario. Let's get the intro rolling. Nice to see you guys. Thank you. How's it going? Alright guys, this guy is representing. Now this is a fantastic Jeep you got here.
Thank you very much. 4.5 inch lift with a 1 inch body lift, so a total of 5.5 inches.
Amazing.
I've got the 38 by 13.5 open country, AEB. Got the front bumpers are from Trailhead.
Yes.
I want to give a shout out to GTA Jeeps because they've done a fantastic job. Most of the mods have been done by Neo and his crew. Amazing. So I want to say thank you to Neo.
Wheels from Wheels for Less?
Wheels for Less. Actually, shout out to Wheels for Less for the great job that they've done.
For sure.
Oh, it's a Jeep thing, like you say all the time.
Yeah.
You know what? Just empty every pocket.
Right on. Well said. Well said. Sweet. Alright guys, so we're still quite early. People are still setting up. Jeeps are arriving. As soon as everything is set up and everything is set to go, we're gonna do a nice walk around of this place, show you all the vendors, and then we're gonna walk around each and every Jeep and take a good walk around of that. Right behind me, right over here, we got the Car Crush event. So looks like we got some Civics ready to be crushed. No offense to the Civic guys that are watching here, but they are gonna get crushed. We still got overcast skies above us, but weather is looking promising. It is gonna clear up. All right, so this is where we have the Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler with GTA Jeeps and his tent. We got it all set up right behind me over here. I'm part of the booth this year, something different than last year. Alright guys, so I'm at GTA Jeep's booth and it's looking fantastic. One of the best I've seen out here so far.
We brought a lot of stuff on display. It's pretty much our store on display here today. So.
Nice. So you got everything today from, I see, from winches to bumpers, grills.
Exactly. Brought our suspension out, trail effects, wheel spacers, a lot of the Envy products, especially the new ones that came in. We got 20-inch light bars today over here.
Nice.
Great for hoods. Also great when you get an Envy bumper.
Yes.
Nicely mounted over here.
Oh, look at that.
Other new stuff that we got that wasn't probably one of the videos that you posted.
Right.
We got the SMB filters that just came in, the cold air intake.
Wow. And my eyes are honestly on the Trail FX winch. Yes. I'm honestly thinking we should definitely do that soon.
Absolutely.
We'll catch you around.
All right.
All right.
of the other ones as well. Sure, I will.
Tickets and put them in the prize tent.
I have no idea. Yes, really. Oh, you did?
Somebody will fucking tell you to stop before your Jeep does.
So nice. Good flavor. Yeah.
JK, yards diagram stretching it out. Still starting. Give it your quick pass. There we go. Don't be shy. You don't wave.
Got it. 121 on a 115 building. Yep, that's a killer score, buddy. Passenger. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to attach the bottom springs to the bottom. Driver. New stuff will before it's empty, right?
Perfect. Good. Now start doing passenger. More passenger. Yeah.
Whoa! That's what I'm worried about. Passenger.
Yeah. A little bit. Yeah.
Peter Trotter at the rock shore.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Alright guys, we got the Snoopy Jeep that's going to be climbing the ramp. I think this is going to be quite interesting. Let's head over.
Reverse forward, okay, good enough.
Don't forget to bring the voting cards to the prize table. Come see a Min or Peter. If you don't submit them, they won't win. Don't forget to check out the Jeeps on the lawn outside as well. They also have numbers on them.
Just go straight.
Alright guys, so we're gonna actually take a walk around and see all the Jeeps that are here today. And then there's gonna be a car crushing event. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's get this going. Alright guys, I just had to stop at this Jeep right over here. This Jeep is sitting on 45-inch tires. This is just a beaut.
the victims here today are those vehicles. Brought to you today by Hanson Zoe for all your rent.
It's going off now, back and forth.
Towing needs.
Oh God.
Back it up, back it up. Not worth it. Hold on, hold on. All right. And that's how you do it. On over to the dealership, grab the Jeep and come on over. And that's how we do it here. That's right. If his subwoofer comes out of the back, that's also nice. That's how we do it here. Everybody, please stand back.
You seeing good?
That's what you call the old face down. You know what? What's next? Crispy's ready. Crispy's ready. Ah, we missed our chance. We missed our chance. Up for next. And that's how you spill your coffee, man. It's a
Are you gonna get a video doing that?
Beautiful day today. A beautiful turnout, it seems.
It is nice, a little bit cloudy. It was windy in the morning, very cold. But sun still hasn't come out yet, but it's nice. A lot of people are out enjoying themselves. So
For sure.
a couple more hours left. We just had the car crush, a lot better than last year.
Yeah, amazing, yeah.
Yeah, a whole bunch of vendors out here, so it's a good show. I guess you're watching this.
Yeah.
You didn't make it.
Yeah,
So-
unfortunately.
So come out next year. Next year is June 1st.
June 1st.
June
okay.
1st. It's still on a Saturday.
Okay.
Rain or shine or whatever. So come out if you missed this year and last year too.
For sure. We'll be here hopefully and look forward to seeing you guys. Thanks a lot, buddy. All right. Take care. Anytime. All right, guys, and that was a wrap. I loved it. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for other videos and remember to subscribe, hit the like, share, and Jeep just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon.